Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This is hormone replacement therapy in England data from the NHS Business Services Authority. So there's 20 tables, 100,000 rows of data going back to April 2015. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Here we go. All right, HRT. Lots of tables, so I'll just pick a couple. So year totals by age band. That's pretty self-explanatory. I'll have a look anyway. There you go. The headings speak for themselves. What else? Let's split by IC, but yeah, here you go. Monthly total split by integrated care board. So you've got the integrated care board and a flag and some numbers. And there's several other tables. You can get free access to this database with the thousands of tables for 30 days if you follow the link in the description. Thanks very much.